In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trash in Zoho WorkDrive. This is really useful whenever you accidentally delete a file or a folder, or if you just want to double check what's been removed before it's gone for good. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to look and how to get to your deleted items quickly. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho account and you have Zoho WorkDrive open. From your WorkDrive home screen, you'll want to go to the section called My Folders. This is usually where your personal files and folders are listed. If you're not there already, look for an option or tab labeled My Folders on the left-hand side or in the main navigation bar and click on it. Once you're in My Folders, you'll see your usual files, but for trash, we need to open up the management options. Now that you're in My Folders, look for a button or menu called Manage. This might appear at the top of the screen or along the left panel, depending on your layout or any updates to the interface. Go ahead and click on Manage. This section is where Zoho groups together some of the more administrative tools for your files and spaces, including access to trash. If you don't see it right away, try expanding any side menus or hovering over icons until the word Manage appears. Once you have opened the Manage area, look for the option labeled Trash. The Trash section is where Zoho WorkDrive temporarily stores deleted items before they're permanently removed. Click on Trash to open it. After you click, you'll see a list of files and folders that have been deleted from your My Folders area. From here, you can review what's been removed, restore items you deleted by mistake, or permanently delete files you're sure you no longer need. A quick tip: the longer you wait, the more likely it is that older items in trash may be automatically purged, depending on your organization's settings. So if you know you've deleted something important, it's a good idea to check trash as soon as you realize it's missing. And that's all you need to do. Go to My Folders, click on Manage, then click on Trash, and you'll be able to see and manage your deleted items in Zoho.